Just like in swing trading, just a word of advice. Do you see that if you breach that level, it's no longer a stock you want to have in your portfolio? Don't buy and hold stock. You're not that smart. You don't know what you're doing. However, if you are going to buy a stock based on the technicals, then you must have a technical stop or a cut loss for the stock that you buy. Don't be an average stock market loser that just buys stock and then has no stop loss at all. Do you see how, okay, if you made the decision to buy here, let's just say that I won't judge you on your decision to buy. Stipulate that, okay, you saw it to move up, Bitcoin was moving higher, double bottom, moving higher, blah, 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 blah. Okay, good. But you didn't have a stop, a mental stop. So here's how you solve the problem. And this is for all of you in Masterclass, in CTV, and in stock trading. You are not allowed to take a trade unless you have this in order to take the trade and this to get out of the trade. There is no trade you will ever take in CTV, in CTV Plus, in Masterclass, or in buying stock that you don't have a clear-cut setup for the trade, technical setup, because that's what we are. We're technical traders. If you want to have a fundamental setup, that's fine, but it must have this. You cannot buy because Apple's coming out with an iPhone. You cannot buy because Tesla's coming out with a new battery. You cannot buy because the country of Austria is planning a ... You can have fundamental geopolitical news, analysts, all kind of things that might pique your interest in a stock. But you cannot and will not, if you want to be friends with me, you cannot buy or sell anything in this stock market without a technical setup. The technicals rule. And you can't take the trade unless you've identified your cut loss level, your exit level. Does anybody not agree? I'm going to assume if I say all in favor of this strategy, raise your hand. I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to say is there anybody that disagrees with this, that says they are not going to follow that? Good. You don't want to hear it from me, right? Don't do it. So Pat, you don't have a problem cutting losses. You just don't have rules and discipline. So you took the trade, but you didn't have a rule that said, before I take a trade, I'm going to identify a level that no matter what happens, if it breaches that, I'm out. Had you done that, you would have been out probably somewhere around, I don't know, about 317. You probably would have been out at 317. And now it's at 147. Do you see the difference? You could always get back in and buy it again, but you've got to have a level.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video from Trade With Me Now. Make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you make sure that you catch our next video right when it's released. Also, if you have a question or comment, please leave that in the comment section below. And of course, if you want to learn more about Trade With Me Now or join our community of profitable traders, go to tradewithmenow.com. There's also a link in the description below.